In most workplaces, people have to manage their emotions in order to perform work effectively. But how do people in extreme intense emotional workplaces deal and cope with intense emotions? By conducting interviews with veterinary workers who often have to euthanize animals, researchers discovered that they have emotional comfort zones in which they can deal with intense emotion appropriately. People are in their emotional comfort zones when they are able to experience and outwardly display preferred types of intensity of emotions. Veterinary workers enter these zones to avoid feeling drained by intense emotions and are able to do their jobs effectively. Interestingly, many veterinary workers craft or learn their zones over time as they better understand their emotional triggers and how to best cope with them in intense situations involving both suffering pets and grieving owners. A veterinary worker may have a very narrow zone when he or she first performs euthanasia, but this zone may widen as the worker gains more experience. Veterinary workers also create routines that allow them to enter into their comfort zones more easily. For example, some prepare for euthanasia by booking private rooms at the clinic for the procedure and by preparing mementos for pet owners. Wonder how people function in intense emotional workplaces? If so, you may want to read this paper.